I am seeing red here at Ed Payne Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, and you are too, because this is a pre-owned 2021 Ram 3500 heavy duty. This is a 1-ton truck. We've got the 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel coupled with that 8-speed automatic transmission. It is 4-wheel drive, 18-inch chrome wheels, brand new tires. It is a Cummins. It is a Ram. We've got a step rail, a Raptor step rail. Inside, we've got cloth seats. Seating for 3. Center console is down. Apple CarPlay, Android Audio. We even have auxiliary switches to add on any other accessories, and also trailer brake controller, push button, 4-wheel drive. And hey, if you're needing a work truck, hey, this thing is diesel and it's a long bed. Oh yeah, taller stance, got a bunch of chrome here, and guess what? Coated bed. We've got 8 total tie downs, 4 marine style cleats. Also, that ball in the center there, it is ready to go. But also, you could put another mount in there for if you want to pull your fifth wheel RV. Hey, this thing's got it all, even the receiver on the back. So come and get it right here with this pre-owned 2021 Ram 3500 heavy duty Cummins turbo diesel right here at Ed Payne Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tú quieres, regardless.